Entertainment purposes only. Do not try this at home.
Let's go, let's go. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh. I'm finally doing it. We finally doing the POV drives. As y'all can see up front, we're joined by the M4CS and the G37. It's a gloomy, rainy day out here in
Mexico,
as y'all can see. This traffic is bad, y'all boys. Low-key came out at the worst time. For those of you guys wondering, we got a boarded exhaust in the Q, boosted 6 lower downpipes. But yeah, nah, we can't do no content with the traffic like this, bro. This shit is OD. The question is, does it get better? It don't look like it. Oh yeah, this shit bad. Okay. Yeah, it's not too bright out today. It's gloomy, low-key vibes, if y'all fuck with that. But yeah, I thought going up north was gonna be worse, but apparently not. I think to do the exhaust more justice, I gotta get a mic that gets that like exhaust volume. Jaden with the M4CS, he got downpipes and valve master exhaust, but he fucking lost his valve controller and now his shit's stuck in on valves closed, so it's not as loud as usual. This is like perfect rain. We got a little bit of rain, but not enough to where we gotta put the wipers out. Y'all see it? Oh. We got the, okay, CTSV up front. You seen the CTSV? Let's go, let's go. I don't know about y'all boys, but I be fucking with them V's, bro. They tough. I probably would take one over a Hellcat. Get in, get in. We got Avi with the G. He's all stock right now. He got like a sound system in it, but that's about it. I think he just got the V back, so yeah, but y'all seen him in the last video. I think he's gonna do the ISR single exit with the, honestly, I'm not too familiar with all the VQ platform exhausts. There's a lot of Y pipes, a lot of all that shit, so I don't wanna say nothing wrong, but I know he's going ISR, and then something resonated test pipes. I'm not sure which ones. But we got that open road now. My shit's honking bad though. I don't know what's up with it, bro. That boy moving in the G. Hey, what that minivan doing though? Need that boy Jaden to take the lead. He got the Insta360, but he didn't have it charged. He forgot to charge it, so he don't got his POV, unfortunately. I'm trying to get them boys up in front, cause like, you know, for the content and shit. We got them boys back in front. Yo, it's just been raining like crazy over here though. Like, I'm just glad it's not pouring, cause that would have been bad. But yeah, bro. Bad. Damn, it looks like the traffic's getting bad, low key. Yeah. I can't really communicate with these boys because I'm like filming the audio on my phone, so it kind of fucks it up because I can't talk to them. I need to get like another phone or something, or like an audio recording device. Let's see if we can get back up north and if the traffic isn't as bad. I seen y'all little crispy downshift. I don't know how well y'all could hear it though, like I said. If like I find out that the exhaust audio is just fucking ass, I might just have to, you know, cop that little DJI 2-pack for the one time. But yeah, if y'all heard those little honks, I'm not really sure what they are. Like, I'm trying to figure it out. I tried repositioning the exhaust because it was kind of messed up. I fixed it. My boy Avi, G37 in the back, took it to his dad's shop, helped me out. But I'm not too sure why it's still happening. I came to the like assumption or whatever that when the exhaust is cold, it's worse, and that is true. But it looks like when I'm on the highway, that shit just be like it be coming out, bro, and it sounds ugly. But I'm not sure what it is. I might just need to get a tune. It might just be that. It might be too much like fuel getting dumped into the exhaust. I don't really know. If y'all got any ideas though, let me know for sure. Bro, that honk was bad.
What?
The honk. I think, you know what I think it is? Okay, this is what I thought. I thought at first when the car is cold, like the exhaust is cold, it like rasps more obviously and it got that honk and then it goes away. But in the highway, that bitch was honking like crazy, bro. It's raining, but let me see if I can get a little crack going for y'all boys. A little crackage. Damn, y'all heard that honk right there, bro. That's what I'm talking about. I might need the tune, y'all boys. That might be what it is. I think that, like, cause like we fixed the exhaust. It's all sitting right now, unless I'm wrong. Hold up, bro. Cause what the actual fuck is that? Hey, chat, be honest with me, bro. Do we just gotta add resonators or what? I'm not trying to mess with the natural sound of the exhaust though. It sounds good. It's just that little honk that be bugging me. But if anybody watching this has like, you know, like experience with this and like knows what it is, please let me know. Cause otherwise, I like the sound of the exhaust. It's just a little honk, bro. Oh, damn, that boy getting sturdy. Wait, is it this exit? I can't tell. Oh. Hey y'all boys, I think I might know the GTA 5 map better than I know directions here, and I'm not proud of it. Oh, fuck. Yo, I'm a gook, bro. No way.
A few moments later.
Oh, what the fuck? Hell nah. Oh, bro, y'all can't be serious right now. Nah, bro. Yo, oh my God. Accidentally getting into the nah, bro, what the fuck? Ain't no fucking way, bro. Yo, I'm praying that shit didn't fuck my shit up. Bro, like, that's actually so bad. There's no way. Bro, I accidentally get on the express trying to catch up to him. And then I fucking hit some shit, bro. Yo, nah, that's insane, bro. Nah, I'm actually speechless. A fucking bin just came out of nowhere. I smacked it. A what? A bin. Yo, is my shit fucked up, bro? Where's it at? In the front. It's fucked? Nah, bro. Oh my God. My whole fucking bumper is broken. It's cooked. Fender liner's off. First POV drive. Fuck, bro. I can't fucking believe it. Damn, y'all seen what happened? First of all, accidentally got in the express lane, fucking gook, and then this shit happens, bro. But there's literally like nothing I could do, bro. That bin was just flying, or it wasn't even stationary, bro. It was flying. Paint is all fucked up, shit cracked. Thankfully, it wasn't worse, but I don't know if this is an excuse to upgrade to the sport front bumper. I don't know if I'm gonna buy one and then have to spray it, or if I'm gonna just try to hit up a junkyard or something, but I hate to end the video like this. You finna bounce back. The worst part is my TV just broke too, bruh.